It's a new 2026 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V6 engine, heated steering wheel, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.